Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is me unboxing my March Ricky's Cult Crushes box. They're sold out now. The March and the April boxes are all accounted for, so you can, I think, subscribe starting with the May box if you haven't yet done it. It's $11 a month, and it's not customizable or anything that has anything to do with a profile. It's all just, everybody gets the exact same thing, but it's been really cool so far. And I grew up, whenever I went to New York, it's a beauty store based in New York, loving Ricky's. So it's $11 a month, and then with the subscription you get 25% off, I think online, maybe in store too, but definitely online. Free shipping if you spend $50 or more, and they have a lot of really good stuff there. So let's see what's in this box. And I'll put up the values if I can. So it comes in bubble wrap, and oh, I like her. So this is Too Much Mouth. This is a YouTuber, and it looks like she curated it. I'll put a link in the description box down below for her channel. I like her a lot. And she says, "Thank you, Cult Crushes, for allowing me to put my own spin on this month's box. I love products that can do it all and wanted items that can go big or play it safe. Not as much about the product as it is about your preference and creativity." So, oh my gosh. So everything's kind of showing up there in the box. This is what I don't want to show it to you because you'll see everything. This is the first thing. It's a Ricky's blender, and it says, "Did you know that you should replace your beauty blender every 3 months? With this brand new one, touch up your foundation anywhere, anytime. Use the rounded edge for blending makeup and the pointed end for tight and hard to reach places." This seems big. This is a beauty blender, dry, and that's this guy. So I wonder how big this ends up being. So this is the Ricky's Beauty Sponge. I'm excited to try that. Oh my gosh. These are pretty serious, but I'll try them. These are lashes from House of Lashes. They're called Temptress. Put a spin on wispy lashes. So that what I like about these is that they don't look like, they're still wispy. Sometimes lashes that are too close together make it look like it's just one big thing, kind of like it's not real. I mean, these don't look real, but still. Put a spin on wispy lashes with this voluminous and lengthy pair. They can be styled, cut, and altered any way you like. And when subtly curled, you'll take anyone's breath away. Add mascara for a bolder look. That's lovely. Oh my gosh. I see something amazing in here that I'm gonna hold off for the last thing. This is, I love this liner. And I mentioned before, I'm not sure if it's pronounced Palladia or Palladia. And this is their liquid liner. One swipe is all you need to add dramatic definition to your eyes. With a smear-proof formula and a felt tip applicator, drawing thicker thin lines is a cinch. Long-lasting black color stays on, so you can stay out too. And it's one of those, like, felt tip. Obviously, it's what they just said. But this is a good liner. I've used this before. Next is LA Girl Pro Prep, a face primer. Make your makeup last forever with this smoothing face primer. It provides the perfect surface for foundation and nourishes skin with vitamin E, used for a flawless finish on or off camera. So that's this. And then last, this is the thing that I've been looking at the whole time that I can't believe this is in here. This is the Balm Meet Matrimony palette. Featuring 9 versatile shades, these matte shadow colors are suitable for any occasion. The velvety smooth texture, triple milled formula, and true to pan payoff, your look will live on from business casual to nighttime chic. I don't have this one. I have another one. I forget which one I have, but I don't have this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try it. Yeah, these are kind of cool to neutral mattes. So oh my gosh, I'm really excited to try this stuff. I will put a link in the description box down below to Ricky's and to the Cult Crushes box. And again, they're sold out March and April, but you could get on the list starting in May. I think they're still only shipping in the continental US, but I'm not certain. But you certainly could look at it. And thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and I really appreciate the time that you took to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.